Here is GitLab homepage. Once you sign in, and on the top left right hand corner, you see new project. And let me create a blank project called a demo. You can add icons, description, but I just skip them and only choose to init the repo with a readme. And then I click create project. Now a new project called a demo is created, and with a readme file that has a heading of our repo name. I can go to here, Web IDE, and use this integrated development environment to make changes to files in the repo. For example, this is readme.markdown. I want to change D to capital, add another heading 2, and a bullet list, item A, item B, item C, or a ordered list like this, and I can preview the markdown. This is how it will look in the overview page. So this is readme. I can review my changes. So it says, I've deleted the first line. I've changed demo to capital demo and added more lines. So red means deletion, green means addition or insertions. I'm ready to commit this file or commit these changes. So I click commit and say add details to readme. I have permission to commit to master branch directly, but if you are contributing to another project, you probably don't have that permission. So you want to create a new merge request, but not until you are ready for the maintainer to merge. So I think I will have something else to add before I want the maintainer to merge that. So I clear this box here. Don't start a new merge request yet. And with the new branch 3545, what does it mean? It's meaningless, so let's give it something more meaningful. My first contribution, and commit. Ignore this error. The commit is safe. It is perfectly safe. If you go back to the repo here master branch, next to it is a down arrow. You see, my first contribution branch has been created with these new details. Now I want to add some files, so I go back to the Web IDE. Here, edit, upload file. You can upload one file, multiple files, many files, as many as you wish. Could be text file, could be images, scripts, source code, anything. So you see the green little box there. It indicates new files. I can preview the content here. I can even change content before I actually commit. So this is some more content, and then I can review the changes. Just 2 new files, or let me also change the readme a bit. Let's say we make a mistake here, item2. We'll come back to that later. Alright, I change something in README, it is indicated as a orange box here, and then yeah, have a look, final check, commit. Okay, add 2 special files, and I select to commit to the same branch because we don't want too many branches. This time I'm ready to start a new merge request, and we hope the maintainer merge into the master branch these 2 new files that we uploaded and the changes we have made to README as one single merge. So we create a new merge request. We have 2 commits, right? Yeah, we have 2 commits already. And title, I am happy with it, or if not, you can change my very first contribution, yeah. And add some description, add 2 important or special files, up or introduce errors in README. I probably want to hide that. Yeah, just add 2 special files and bold it. So yeah, 2 special files. Assign it to the maintainer. You don't have to, they will see it anyway. Well, in case there are multiple maintainers, doesn't matter. These options are proposal. The maintainer does not have to respect your options here. They can make final decision. We can review our changes here. We are happy with it. We submit the merge request. And then the maintainer comes to here and go to commits. Okay, you have 2 commits. What have you actually changed? Oh, this is bad. So they go to the conversation and say, this is bad, please make corrections, or simply reject. Let's say this is a kind maintainer and they ask you to make corrections with a heart. Yeah, I love you, and but I thumbs down because there are errors. So now you come back to your merge request. From here, merge request, your very first contribution. You can go to Web IDE here, or from the repo homepage, Web IDE. That's the same. Make sure you pick the correct branch. Like here, my first contribution, and here we have 3 files that are already changed. So 0 changed files doesn't mean no change to the merge request. It means no further changes to this branch for now. And since you are asked to make corrections, so you come back here and okay, add it back, and here is the correction you want to make, and now I don't want this other file. Delete it, and then, well, let's add demo.js. Just want to show you something. This is a powerful IDE. You have IntelliSense here. You can just type what you want to type. Say console. What is console? Is JavaScript. So console, if you know, console log. I can say hello world here. So this is my new JavaScript files, demo.js, that will fix the errors. So I go to review. I have corrected the spelling mistake, I've added more stuff, and they're indicated as orange. New files is green. And let's go ahead to commit. So you notice here, review, you only review your changes. You don't find the deleted file. But if you switch over to commit, you see there is a minus box here indicating that this file will be deleted once you commit. So let's go ahead and commit these changes. I'm lazy, but you should make it clear what you have changed. Multiple fixes. Make sure to commit to the same branch which is in a merge request. Okay, same branch, not a new branch. Notice that it is related to merge request number 1. So once we commit, it will goes into merge request number 1. And we can come back here and checking ability to merge. So it will verify that there are no conflicts, etc. What if you make a mistake and the maintainer just click merge here? That would be bad if you are making changes. So a better approach is to actually go into edit title and start the title with WIP colon. Okay, once you add that to the title and save changes, the merge buttons becomes disabled. So the maintainer won't be able to merge if you have further changes you want to make until you're ready. So let's say now, oh, I am good with that. I tell the maintainer is all set command, and you or they can resolve the WIP status by clicking this button here, or go to edit and edit the title. It's equivalent. So by clicking this button, you will find the WIP colons here gone. So now I click it. Now the title is changed, no more WIP, and the merge buttons becomes available. So the maintainer can choose to delete the source branch as we selected, and not to squash the commits as we have requested, or the maintainer does not respect your options. They want to squash commits. Okay, what does it mean? You notice down below 3 commits versus 1. So let's say we have made many commits, or maybe here we upload file directly here instead of using the Web IDE to commit in batch. Then there will be many commits. Oh, by the way, make sure you need to upload files to your working branch rather than creating many branches. Okay, upload to the same branch. Every time you use this simple quick tool, it will create a new commit. So I recommend you to use the Web IDE, but that doesn't really matter. We come back to the merge request. We see that we have 3 commits. We have these changes, and the maintainer is happy with it, and finally want to click merge. If there are really too many commits, and that will pollute the master branch history. The maintainer can choose to squash commits so they show up as one single commit history in the master branch, and they can add some details to the squash commit message. This time we only have 3 commits, so yeah, we are fine with all of them showing up in the history of the master branch. Yeah, they're good. Thumbs up. This doesn't really matter. Most importantly is this merge button. Ta-da! And yes, it's merged. And of course, we can always go back in history and or just cherry pick this into something else. Yeah, not to be discussed in this video. I want to show you the graph here. You see, we have a diversion from the initial commit because I started changes in a separate branch, and now it is merged into the master branch, and we opt to delete that temporary working branch. What it does is just delete the branch. The name, the branch is no longer named, but in the graph we can still find the branch. Yeah. So let's say we are happy with this version. Let's add a new tag, version 1.0. Deploy to production, please. Please deploy to production. Doesn't really matter. I'll just leave it blank. Oh, add a release log. This is an important update! Exclamation mark. Important. Want to. Oops. I want to bold it. Update. Yeah, I can do some formatting, and it will show up like this. Let me create a tag. So version 1. We can find that under tags or here tags v1. What good does it bring? We can go back in time in commits, but so many commits, so tags help us tag version 1, version 2, something like that. We can download a snapshot of that point in time if we want to maybe debug something. Yeah, we can edit, delete, we can do many things. We can see who contributes to this repo. So one reason why the maintainer asks you to correct mistakes is that it will keep your credits. So you will be credited for your contribution if you correct your own mistakes. Otherwise, the maintainer will take the credit. So it's up to you. If someone asks you to correct mistake, you can, yeah, please do this for me, and that's fine. Perfectly fine. So merge request, this is merged. In case somebody create many pull requests or merge requests, and we want to reject them all, so we can click here, edit merge request, select all all selected, and just close them all. Yeah, you cannot accept them all, but you can reject them all and click update all here. But since we don't have any open merge requests, we cannot close any here either. You can choose to subscribe to or unsubscribe from the conversation we saw here. So if you want to follow how this develops, You can subscribe, unsubscribe by clicking here, notifications. So yeah, I'm the only participant. That's about all I can demo in this video. I'm the only person. I am lonely. I am alone in this video. Thanks for watching.